We have another super exciting Rambo e-bike, the Rambo Roamer 2.0. Welcome to Outdoor Gear 411
with Robbie and Adrian.
We're here at Rambo Bikes in Centerville, Iowa to show you guys another brand new e-bike. Hopefully you saw our video on the Rambo Revolt. This one's gonna be Robbie's. Today, we're showing you the Rambo Roamer 2.0, which implies there was a 1.0. What makes the 2.0 stand out beyond the original?
Yeah, so the original Roamer was more of a full frame. So we've taken this one to a step-through option. This one is going to be the 750 watt Bafang mid-drive motor with the 8-speed derailleur system. So this is going to allow you to switch your gears, specifically made for hill climbing. So this one will get you up any steep mountainous areas. The Roamer 2.0 does come with the adjustable class settings and the adjustable pedal assist. So Eco would be like 1, tier. Turbo and Sport, Sport Plus. So this one will go up to 28 miles per hour as well. You're going to get that max power and class 4 setting and pedal assist 5. So your throttle is actually going to be located on your left-hand side on this Roamer 2.0. And that is because your gearing is going to be located here on the right. So you'll have this switch that you'll be able to pull into downshift and then upshift here. And this Roamer 2.0 comes with the front suspension. Also comes equipped with your rear rack and your front and rear mud shovels. And then of course comes equipped with the headlight.
And this is a 15 amp battery as well.
Yep, so up to 48 miles if you're going to be helping the bike out there, approximately 20 if you're going to throttle the whole time. If you decide to upgrade to a 20 amp hour battery, you're going to get around or up to 65 miles. And again, just cutting that in half if you're going to be throttling the whole time.
And I assume, maybe I'm wrong, but if it's like super cold, that would be less?
If we're talking like cold like Iowa, we always recommend that you use a battery warmer just to help protect that battery because it could affect the range that you would get on that.
Is this where do you hook the cart?
Yeah, so right here, in this little hole. So each one of our carts come equipped with the hitch adapter already. So yeah, you can just hook it up here. If you have additional bikes and you just want to be able to swap it from bike to bike, you can always just buy an additional hitch and then just leave it on each bike too.
Well, that's cool. Okay, we've talked about the Rambo Roamer 2.0 enough. Robbie's ready to take it for a ride.
Where'd you pedal when you've got a throttle? There it went. Best to pedal when you're shifting gears, huh? Yeah. The pedal assist is really nice. Like it makes it easy. This is the ticket. Absolutely the ticket.
We have a lot more testing to do with the Rambo Roamer 2.0, so subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss it. If this video was helpful, give us a like. Make sure you share it with all your friends. Thanks for watching.